Hey guys, this is me, Army of War. Just charging my Omnicharge 20s, and these things are screaming. They're getting hot. It is quite hot in my basement right now because I have the heater on blast. But these things are loud. Can you hear it? I bet you can. Let me see if I can get it closer. Sound like a jet is taking off. Um, that's how hot they are right now. Yep. When I first came down here, they was like 42 degrees. They're cooling down. Those fans actually work. This one I think was on 40, and it's going down to 36 degrees Celsius, and it's going back up. I need to turn the heat off because these things are amazingly getting hot. Hot. Well, they're warm to the touch right now. All right, just trying to give you an update on the Omnicharge charging. Right now I'm charging my Alki 30,000 milliamp. I will be putting up a video on Nintendo Switch charging. Of course, it doesn't charge as fast as the Omnicharge because you can plug it up directly. But I have a lot of people commenting on my video like, hey, that's retarded. Omnicharges are expensive. You're sponsoring the video. No, I'm not. I bought them with my own funds. My YouTube channel is not even popular. I would like it to be. I would like to sponsor them. No lie. Alright. Have a nice day, guys. And don't forget to subscribe.